SYGTECH is here. Like I mentioned in my previous video, today we're gonna unbox the DJI Nano, which I already discussed that. I'm gonna link the video descriptions down below. I'm not a big fan of this camera, but I hope all the videos on the internet are a little bit not true, if I want to say that, but let's see if this camera actually is good. This is the 128 gigabytes version. I purchased the Nano by myself again. This video is not being sponsored. So on the back you can see all the accessories that you get. So you'll get the camera, you'll get the multifunctional dock, magnetic hat clip, magnetic lanyard. But yeah, let's unbox it now. Okay, now how do we open this camera? Oh yeah, from here, I believe. I'm excited to try the camera because, like I mentioned in my previous videos, I already bought the DJI Mini 5 Pro and I'm planning to do a lot of outdoor videos, and I need something small for POV shots. I'm gonna put everything on the table and then we're gonna check. So what we have here today, again, this is not a sponsored video by any mean. Now we have stickers. This is the DJI forum with the DJI Mimo app stickers, which is nice. Let me see what else we have in this box. I'm gonna put everything out, so we'll check now. So more stickers and some information, paperwork. We have type C to type C cable for charging. Oh boy, sorry about that. Yeah, excited as always. So what else we have? We have this is like a protective case for the camera. And I believe this is the magnetic hat clip, which is great. I'm gonna try it as well outside. Why this packaging is so hard to unbox sometimes. Yeah, this is the magnetic hat clip, which is nice. What else we have? This is the suction cup, which is always nice as well. Suction cap. And another cool thing is that if you unscrew that, you can use this magnetic attachment with a tripod, which is always nice to have that. Okay, what else we have? I believe this is the lanyard. Yes, this is the magnetic lanyard, which is always nice. So you can tuck this under the shirt, so you can put the camera, which always nice. What else? Now we have two things left. We have the camera and the multifunctional vision dock, which is called, by the way, this here And this is the Nano, which looks very, very good. Let's peel this off. So this is the actual camera. So we have 1/1.3 inch sensor, the same as the Action 5 Pro and I believe the Action 4. And the same sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. I'm not sure, but I think, yeah, this is the same camera. It's magnetic, which is great. And this is the vision dock. This is the multifunctional vision dock, which is pretty cool in my opinion. So you can attach the camera either way, this way, or if you want to vlog, you have to press this side so you can attach it to the front so you can see yourself. Yeah, pretty cool. Do we have juice? Can I turn on the camera? I think you can. So English. We're gonna skip for now. It's been attached already. Oh, here we go. That's me. Pretty cool. Let's attach it other way around so at least you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I don't want to check all the functions now. But yeah, as you can see, this is pretty cool. This is the camera. So you can see yourself, you can film, which is nice. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, what did you like to see? But I'm gonna test this camera. And I'm excited because now I can go outside and do more videos with the Mini 5 Pro. But there we have it. This is the new Osmo Action Nano. You can film portrait, you can film landscape. Pretty cool. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, guys. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.